guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Candy for if you're new. If you're returning, hey y'all, welcome to another video. So in this video we will be doing an Amazon wax kit unboxing and review. But please don't forget to go like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Press that notification bell so you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. So let's get straight into it. Here is the wax kit set, guys. What came in the box was the manual, a gift card, 5 hard beans, 30 application sticks. We have 20 large ones, 10 small ones. We got the after wax treatment and the pre-wax treatment and the pots. So the brand of this wax kit is Nevlon's, as you can see. So I got this gift card in the package. It says Nevlon's Beauty Party, are you a winner? And is a lucky scratch. I scratched the card and I got $25. So I'm guessing to use back at Nevlon's. So let me just verify the information with you. So yes, this is the Nevlon's waxing kit for women. And the reason why I chose this wax kit is because you can use wax beans, wax palettes, can wax, and wax blocks. So it's not just a hard wax. You can buy can wax and also use it in here. That's my main reason for choosing this wax kit. But it's also sleek and cute. As you can see, it's black with the pink lid, and then there is the silver pot inside. And the treatments, so the pre-wax treatment spray is with lavender perfume, cleans your skin and prepares for wax. And after wax treatment is with menthol perfume, cleans wax residues and calms your skin. As for the wax beads, there are 5. There is a green, a pearl white, a pink, a blue, and a purple. And the hard wax beans, it says hair removal wax without strip for professional use only, ideal for the removal of body and facial on all skin types. It is made with honey, rose, aloe, cream, lavender, sea mud, and azulene. Here with me, don't come for me. So these are what the beads look like. So let's go open up these stuff and put the beads to hot and start this wax review. As you can see, I had to change locations because this uses transformer. So let's go ahead and plug this up to see if it works. So turn on the power. Let's go. Okay guys, so it's on, and I'm not sure how much I'm supposed to set this to, but let's say max, just for the wax to hot. And we'll go ahead and put in our wax. So we uncover the pot, drop in, not much guys, because I'm only going to be waxing my eyebrows, not my eyebrows, my underarms. So I put in half half the packet of wax. And we're going to cover it and leave the wax to melt. So from watching a lot of YouTube, I see that they say you need to melt the wax, but then cool it down till it reach a certain consistency. Liquidy, yes, but still kind of thick, that it's not running. So let's see how long this will take to warm up. At this point, I realize I have lost half my footage. Hey guys, as you can see, it's a whole completely other day. I recorded my video. I thought everything was going well. I was so excited about this video. My first attempt of waxing. Guys, my underarm, I put the wax and I come off. The reason being is because I put a thin layer of wax, whereas it doesn't use strips, so you need to put a layer of wax thick enough so you can grip it to pull it out, and I didn't do that. So that was my first mistake. And then while looking for that footage to upload for you guys, no footage. So we got to do this all over again. So let's get straight into that. So I already preheated my wax, guys. It's sitting in front of me. I have the temperature at 140. Now that is cooling down, and this is the consistency of the wax. And I'm going to start off with my pre-wax treatment spray and a napkin, as you can see. So I'm just gonna 3 pumps, clean out all the excess oil. So I think it's hard enough. It's only been about 30 seconds. And bear with me, guys, getting your arms waxed by a professional and doing it yourself, you get my honest reaction on camera. See what I'm talking about? All right, so guys, ready? Oh. My bad. So you see, because it's not thick enough, guys, and I'm pulling. Don't think it's not painful because I'm not balling out, but yeah. Okay, so I got off the first piece. Second piece down. What? So now it's just the last piece, guys, and it's stuck. So I'd advise you guys around the rim and the edges, do it as thick as you can. Ooh. Wow. It did what it needed to do, guys. So this is the end results. It's smooth. I can see just a little bit of hair right here, so I'm gonna go clean that up and show you guys the end results. This is the end results, guys. After I finish wax, I spray with the after wax treatment to clean up all the rest of the residues, and this is what the arm looks like. I'm very satisfied with this wax kit. I will recommend anyone to buy it. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to go like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Press that notification bell so you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. And see you in the next one. Bye.